other day I had a cake pop that had little flecks of gold, which made me want to start playing with edible gold leaf. So I went to Amazon and found this Barnabas Blattgold 24 karat edible gold leaf. Pack of 12. Open it up and see what you get. See how hard it is to work with. It is tiny. It's a pack of 12 and the sheets are 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. And we're gonna put it on this Kit Kat. Amazon's choice product with 10,000 5-star reviews and 1,000 people purchasing this a month. So I figured this was the one to buy. Oh my God, it's so tiny. Guys, for reference, a mini Kit Kat, that's how tiny it is. Wow, 12 sheets. Edible, genuine gold, and it has a production batch number, sir. And it has a little production batch number on it. That's kind of cool. So while I'm doing this, it says that 12 sheets is enough to cover 27 square inches, and there are 144 square inches in 1 square foot. I don't want to bore you all with math, but if you're working on a big project. Now, this company has been in business for like 30 years, so if I'm eating gold, I want to trust the people it's coming from. It is vegan, obviously. It is on loose sheets, okay? Which means that the gold is just sitting in here. It's not on transfer sheets, which you'd be able to pick up and it's just sitting loosely. Makes me so nervous, okay? Oh, that's cool, okay. So this is just the outside sheet, pull that back, and then you can pick them up individually, which is good because that will help with application. See, there's our little friend. And while I'm getting this ready, so the difference between edible gold leaf and real actual gold leaf is that edible gold leaf has to be at least 99% pure gold and it can have 1% silver, but it doesn't have contaminants or other things like copper in it, which standard non-edible real gold leaf have other contaminants and other metals in it because it's not manufactured to food grade. This is manufactured to food grade, hence the production batch number. Okay, let's make this Kit Kat pretty. All right, this Kit Kat's like, what are you doing to me? Well, sir, I'm gonna make you pretty. And see, I already creased this gold leaf. I'm gonna open it and then hold it like that so I can use it to turn it over. We're just gonna put it down. I don't know if I need to like add anything, but we're just gonna try to just stick it on there and see what happens. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh no, you're going on there, sir. At $1 a sheet, bet me. Yeah, I mean, you can just like stick it on there. You don't even have to have any, I didn't know if you needed like some kind of maybe sugar water or something. You don't. Is that beautiful? There you go. You can't taste it. That's cool. I mean, it's like a really fun way. Mmm.